Have you ever wondered how today's giant elephants compare to the mighty mammoths that once roamed the earth thousands of years ago? Both elephants and mammoths belong to the same family, but there are some incredible differences in their size, weight, and appearance. Today, let's explore these fascinating giants and discover who was truly bigger. Let's start with the largest elephant, the elephant. An adult male African elephant typically stands between 10 and 13 feet tall at the shoulder, which is about 3 to 4 meters. These massive animals can weigh anywhere from 5,000 to 14,000 pounds or around 2.5 to 7 tons. Their huge ears help regulate body temperature, and their long trunks contain over 40,000 muscles, making them one of the most remarkable animals. Now, let's travel back in time and meet the woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth lived during the Ice Age and became one of the most famous prehistoric animals. Most adult woolly mammoths stood around 9 to 11 feet tall and weighed approximately 6 to 8 tons. At first glance, that sounds similar to modern elephants. However, mammoths had several unique features. They were covered in thick fur to survive freezing temperatures and had long curved tusks that could grow over 15 feet long. But the woolly mammoth wasn't the biggest mammoth species. Meet the Columbian mammoth. This giant mammoth lived in North America and was significantly larger than the woolly mammoth. Adult males could reach heights of up to 14 feet at the shoulder and weigh as much as 10 to 12 tons. That makes the Columbian mammoth larger than most living elephants. And now, let's meet the true giant of the mammoth world, the steppe mammoth. The steppe mammoth was one of the largest mammoths ever discovered. Scientists estimate that some individuals stood over 15 feet tall and weighed as much as 14 tons or more. Imagine standing next to an animal taller than a one-story building and heavier than several cars combined. It would have been an incredible sight. So, who wins the size comparison? If we compare average African elephants with average woolly mammoths, in some cases, large African elephants were actually taller and heavier than many woolly mammoths. However, when we compare elephants to the largest mammoth species, mammoths clearly take the crown. The Columbian mammoth and steppe mammoth were generally taller, heavier, and more massive than modern elephants. Let's compare their key measurements. African bush elephant. Height up to 13 feet. Weight up to 7 tons. Woolly mammoth. Height up to 11 feet. Weight up to 8 tons. Columbian mammoth. Height up to 14 feet. Weight up to 12 tons. Steppe mammoth. Height over 15 feet. Weight up to 14 tons or more. Besides size, mammoths were specially adapted for cold climates. Their thick fur, fat layers, and curved tusks help them survive the harsh Ice Age environment. Modern elephants, on the other hand, thrive in warm grasslands, forests, and savannas across Africa and Asia. Although mammoths became extinct around 4,000 years ago, their descendants are still with us today. Every elephant walking the earth carries a small piece of mammoth history. The next time you see an elephant, imagine an even larger relative covered in thick fur, carrying enormous curved tusks, and walking across the frozen landscapes of the Ice Age. Who do you think is more impressive, the modern elephant or the mighty mammoth? Let us know your choice, and don't forget to explore more amazing animal size comparisons from the prehistoric and modern worlds. Thanks for watching.